Good morning, this is Ryan with Stoic Mindset Trading. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted a lot of videos lately. I do have a video that went up this morning, me trading live, first time in a while trading live. Been going through a lot of stuff lately and moved from my previous home to a new place in the city, which I really love. I think I'll be able to make a lot of good content here. I'm gonna start making just some general content each day, just about the city, the environment, different places I like to go to, my views on trading, how I get myself set up in trading, what I do my morning routine, etc. Looking at possibly doing like a news release, a morning news release around 8:30 every morning, and then just some general techniques on trading and things that I like to use for trading. Fair value gaps, the MACD, how I set up my MACD, etc. I plan on bringing you guys a lot more content, more intentional content, along with information about Stoicism, being mindful, and staying calm and neutral in all situations. Because I do believe that Stoicism will affect you more than just in the trading world, but in life in general, just dealing with life, issues you run into, etc. Sorry for all the noise in the background. Hopefully it's not being picked up. There's a lot of construction going on around me in my new neighborhood. So hopefully it won't disturb you all too much. Even with my live trading this morning, I had the videos going with the door open and made some noise. But again, I'm gonna try to work on that. So I am back. I'll be trading again. Like I said, I'll be bringing a lot of new content, and I'm just making information, just putting it out there. I'm not gonna think too hard. I'm just gonna post stuff, make stuff, and put it out there. And you like it, you like it. You don't, you don't. If you have ideas or things you want to hear about or learn, go ahead and send me a link or an email, and I'll be sure to try to create videos about it. Otherwise, I look forward to talking to you all again. Look forward to getting into trading live again, because trading live for me helps me a lot. Helps me stay calm and relaxed. Helps me from taking dumb trades. So I look forward to it again. And I will see you all tomorrow morning. I should be going live probably around 9:15, 9:30. I'm gonna shoot for that time frame. But you all see the link coming up for it. I'll talk to you then. Have a good day.